Actually, I was a fan of Tom, so I really hope that he can play game again. And well, stop uploading about your surgery. Your surgery is not a big deal. Hi, I'm Lee, Korean YouTuber and retina specialist. I have something to tell you about Tom Aspinall's ocular surgery. Yesterday, Tom uploaded the picture about his surgery. So I felt something wrong because the picture that he got surgery was LASEK, very simple surgery to correct myopia. It usually take 5 minutes. Very simple surgery. A lot of young Korean guys get this LASEK or LASIK surgery to correct their myopia. Only for cosmetic issue. So I wonder that Tom Aspinall got this LASIK surgery for cosmetic issue or other issues or to make people be quiet about his some issues about his eye ocular damage. So I can search about the surgical machine in Google. So that machine was Mel 90 made by Zeiss, a very big famous company. So I think, well, it's a big mistake because a lot of people can know and think that Tom Aspinall is a liar because he insisted that he got severe damage because of thumbing. Yeah, you know, it was bad actually, but even though thumbing was really bad, but his eye is okay because LASIK is not for trauma. LASIK is for correcting myopia. So so when he blogged about his medical certificate 2 or 3 months ago, there is no other issue or trauma without Brown syndrome. So Brown syndrome is some damage to ocular muscles. So in this case, he cannot. There is no surgery for Brown syndrome immediately because if he gets surgery earlier, maybe it can make his eyes harm, irreversible damage. So there is only two choice. One was to get injection, low concentrated steroid or normal saline water. That's all. And the other is stay calm and keep watching. That's all. Yesterday he blogged some pictures about his LASIK surgery, and today he also uploaded the picture about his red eyes. The one day after surgery. It makes me smile because if he keeps saying about his ocular surgery or ocular damage, it will make him a liar or it will screw up his career. Because a lot of people can know what the fact is. Because his surgery is not severe. It's very simple surgery to correct myopia, not for damage. And well, the red eye is simple irritation after LASIK or LASIK surgery or subconjunctival hemorrhage. It's a red eye. That's all. His red eyes will be recovered within maybe 10 days without, any treatment. Yeah. So it's normal, normal, very simple irritation sign. So I was a big fan of UFC, but I'm disappointed with this situation because he's a UFC heavyweight champion, but I hope that he stop lying. His eye is okay. I'm a retina specialist. I spent almost 24 years for becoming a retina specialist, eye doctor. And I did almost 5,000 eye ocular surgeries. Actually, I was a fan of Tom, so I really hope that he can play game again. And well, stop unloading about your surgery. Your surgery is not a big deal. Of course, LASEK surgery will make you painful. You can feel like a hell because LASIK surgery can give patients severe pain, but within 1 month, your visual acuity can be recovered. Actually, eye doctors usually do not believe, visual acuity. They believe only symptoms or signs because the patient can insist that he is a blind or she is a blind. So eye doctors cannot believe it. Eye doctors can believe symptoms. So stop lying, Tom. Thank you for watching it.